So here we have another box about the accessories, and then so what's crazy about this, it only took me actually 1 week. So I just want to give you like a quick breakdown of what happened. So I actually ordered on the 10th and it actually came a week later. So if you want to look on your calendars from the 10th to the 19th, that's literally 1 week. So what happened was, that was just surprising because usually, but prior to this, my last haul, the one that you saw previously, it actually took over 3 weeks just to get that one. But this one was actually a 1 week and just took me just a couple minutes to set up and everything like that. But just to show you a brief breakdown, it says right here on the 10th, it actually came on the 19th, and this is how much I paid for. I just became a VIP member and I was able to get 1% off, and that took off 1376 won. And then also they also gave me coupons because I was a VIP member, so I was able to apply 2 discounts, which was a 27 and then the 50 for the coupon. Real fast. This haul actually came in real fast, sooner than I expected. I was expecting it actually later next week, but it came sooner than I expected. So let's open it. A Chanel throw blanket. This is just the box itself that it was supposed to come with. Ooh, this feels nice. What's crazy? This looks like a navy. So yeah, it's just a little throw blanket. If anyone has heard of Gentle Monster, they're actually a famous eyeglass company where you buy one get one free. It was 99 won from. You would buy one for 99 won, and then this is actually the box case. You zoom up of what they look like, and then just like that. So to give you an idea what it looks like, it should look like this. How does it look? No? Glasses you get for free. Just leave it in the remarks. The Tegas. So it looks like this. Cool, right? So these actually look alike because they are a little frameless. Are called Dreamer 17. I wonder if you can see a difference from my point at it. Let's grab more. I think this is my favorite accessory of all. So I bought these earrings, right? And I guarantee you won't find this on the subreddit or even in the Discord. So these are actually, I don't know how to pronounce this. TTULF, right? Leave a comment below on which one you think is your favorite out of this haul. So I'm actually going to use one of these glasses actually for my prescription glasses. I don't know, they look big, do they? Hold on, let me see. I was never a rounded frame kind of guy, but if you are, let me know. Leave a comment below if you are, because I'm trying to adjust it. Because I'm more of a square or like a rounded type, where it just ovals around. But I probably have to get adjusted these. But these not like half bad, but let me know what you think. There's that. I could keep gift bags. That's what I should have made a comment out. So that's the weight out. Here's another rounded frame. These are actually the solos. Oh no. Out of all each frames, let me know in the comments below which one do you think is your favorite. What? Dang, dude, these look like these look like the backpacks you would see females wear at like the music park. Because compared to my other backpacks, this is smaller. But yeah, so I actually got two of them. So I got the original black backpack from LOWKEY, and then I also got the reflective. As you may know, in my last video I mentioned I'm a huge fan of reflective, and here is the same backpack, but it's actually the silver reflective colorway. I guarantee you. No, okay. I actually copped the Dior belt, so here's what the box comes in. And I actually copped the Dior belt. So just to give you a quick, the oblique belt. So here's hidden detail. It says Dior and the black. I actually copped two pairs. Let's see it. Ooh, this feels nice. Okay. So I'm actually gonna wear these. Ooh, these look nice. Look at that. Sweet. Here's the red box. Shout out to YG. And then you can see the suede. Look at the detail. Look at that. Look at that. That two-tone goes all the way around. Yeah, man. This one comes with a shoehorn, the dust bags. Oh, extra laces. Okay. That didn't come in the other one. Nice, dude. Okay, so these are the green ones. So it's like a canvas. That's suede. Oh, it's suede. Nice. Smooth. It's like smooth, dude. Look at that. Look at that. Has the red bottom on it. Feeling it? Yeah, man, these are tight. The canvas on this looks like golfing shoes, low key, but
all I do is go.
I really fuck with this.
Go.
Dude, this is nice. If you have time, support the brand. RegulatoCo.com. The Nothing Lasts Forever hoodie. I'll leave the link in the description down below. If you guys want to see more of this, let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.